Subscribers Day! Hey guys! For today's video, I am going to teach you how to check who your subscribers are. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. As YouTubers, we always check the number of our subscribers.
However, we only see numbers but not their names.
Did you know that we have the option to check who they are?
Yes, we have.
We can see the list of our subscribers using our mobile phone.
If you want to know how, please keep on watching.
The first thing that we should do, guys, is to make sure that we have an internet connection. Then next, look for the YouTube icon and click it. Once you're already in your YouTube, look for your channel logo, then just click. In here, you can see your channel. So if you click this one, you will now be able to check how many subscribers you have. So now guys, it's time to check who they are. Just open your Google. This one. So in here, you can see the three dots on the upper right corner, which was changed into an arrow up. So with this one. Alright. Now just click the arrow up and you will see these options. Look for the desktop size and make sure that it has the check mark on it. Now let's do it again for you to see how it is done. So we can see desktop size. Just click the box. Alright, now let's double check if it has already the check mark on it. And you can see it is already color blue. Now on the upper part, type youtube.com. For YouTube, enter your YouTube channel. This is how it looks like when you're already in your YouTube channel. Let's just wait for a while. So if you scroll it up and down, you cannot see the subscribers list, but you can check it here. Just click your channel logo again. Then you will see these options. Now look for the YouTube Studio, then just click, and after you click it, you will be redirected to your YouTube Studio where you can already see who your subscribers are. In here, you can also see the number of subscribers that we have and also your recent subscribers here on the lower part. And if you want to see the complete list of your subscribers, just click see all. And ta-da! You can now see the list of your subscribers, their names, the date they subscribe, and if you're also subscribed to their channel. Now we can only see 10 people here. We can also change it into 15 so that you can see 15 people in one list. You can click this arrow. Here is the option where you can change it into 50 so that on one page there are 50 people. Like this. And if you want to see more, just click this arrow on the lower right corner. So these are the list of my subscribers. And I can see the date when they subscribe to my YouTube channel. So take note guys, if you cannot see someone on your list, that doesn't mean that they are not subscribed to your channel. Because it says here, only includes users who have made their subscription public. As we all know, we have the options to make all our subscriptions private. So I will also show you how to check if we have that. Let's go back to our YouTube channel. And here you can see the settings icon. This one, just click it. And you can see here privacy. Keep all my subscriptions private. So if you click this one, or it was turned blue, even if you subscribe to someone's channel, they cannot see your name on the list like this. They won't see your name on here because your subscription was private. But if it is unclicked, of course they will see your name on the list. So by the way guys, we already have 175 subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing. And again, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like, click the subscribe button below, and also ring the bell for more videos. See you next time!